Yes, Tiffany, her former office manager tells us the twins were troubled and couldn't seem to escape their past, their mother dying when they were just 5 years old. Others tell us they had an ongoing problem with alcohol. Allison Daddow was released from jail Wednesday after a judge ruled there was not enough probable cause to hold her on murder charges in the death of her twin sister, Ann Daddow. Daddow left the jail in her orange jumpsuit, her arm in a sling. She listened during the lengthy hearing as 4 witnesses testified, including a police officer who described her sister Ann being in a contorted position inside the wrecked vehicle driven off the cliff by Allison.
She was bleeding from the face, and she was not responsive. Nor did she have a pulse.
Another detective described that Ann was clutching Allison's hair in her hands. And another witness described seeing the twins in an argument right before the crash. And a detective who examined the Ford Explorer and crash scene explained the Ford's airbag module showed no attempt to brake and that it appeared Allison floored the gas.
Skid marks appear a certain way. These marks on the road were not skid marks. They were not made by a vehicle braking.
However, the judge ruled there was not enough evidence that Allison Daddow intentionally killed her twin sister and released her from jail.
They were 2 loving sisters. They truly were. Like, they did love each other.
Marian Oliver, the twins' former office manager at Twin Power Yoga in West Palm Beach, says they often argued in the months leading up to them abruptly closing their studios and disappearing.
People kept saying that they were crazy. You know, they didn't know what they were doing, where they were at, or what they wanted. It really was a stressful time for a lot of us. They were just all over the place.
Now, Allison Daddow has been released from jail, but she's still facing another criminal charge in Hawaii unrelated to the crash. And prosecutors say they are seeking to file lesser charges than murder against her for driving her sister off that cliff. Coming up at 6, new information about the Daddow's family life here in Palm Beach County and more trouble within that family with the law. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.